There is a specific moment in almost every Barndominium planning conversation where the budget reality hits. The floor plan is exciting. The exterior vision is clear. The lifestyle it promises feels genuinely within reach. And then the contractor estimates start arriving, and the number is not $150,000. It is $210,000, or $240,000, or more. And the question that follows, where did the extra money go, and how do I get it back without compromising everything that made the design worth building, is one of the most important questions in the entire alternative home building conversation in 2026. Today, I am answering that question with a specific, documented, structurally intelligent answer. The single slope roof, the mono-pitch, one-direction Barndominium that is the fastest growing configuration in the 2026 market, is saving builders a verified 20% on construction cost relative to equivalent gable roof builds. And on a $150,000 target build, 20% is $30,000. That is the difference between a budget that works and one that does not. Here is exactly how it works and exactly what it delivers. Subscribe right now to Homes and Haven and hit that notification bell, because this channel covers the Barndominium building strategies that actually protect your budget. The honest cost intelligence that most content in this space never gets specific enough to deliver. Like this video if you have a build target and need every legitimate cost advantage available to reach it. Stay with me all the way to the end, because the final section covers the 3 specific single slope design decisions that determine whether your build hits the $150,000 target or misses it. And missing any one of the 3 makes the other 2 irrelevant. Do not skip ahead. Where the 20% savings actually comes from. The 20% construction cost savings of the single slope roof is not a marketing estimate. It is a documented, traceable reduction in specific construction cost categories that any builder can verify by comparing identical footprint Barndominium builds with different roof forms in the same labor market. Understanding where the savings come from, specifically and traceably, is what makes the claim credible and what makes the strategy actionable. The first savings category is framing and roofing labor. In 2026, on-site construction labor is the highest and most volatile cost in any Barndominium build. A gable roof Barndominium requires the framing crew to position a ridge beam or coordinate a complex truss system at the highest and least accessible point of the structure, set rafter pairs on both sides of the ridge in precise symmetric alignment, and execute the ridge cap installation that is both time-consuming and the beginning of the building's most maintenance-demanding detail. A single slope roof of the same footprint runs continuous rafters or purlins in one direction from the high wall to the low wall. No ridge element to position, no symmetric coordination, no ridge cap to install. The framing labor reduction is 15 to 20% of total framing cost. The roofing labor reduction is comparable. On a 40 by 60 foot Barndominium at 2026 labor rates in competitive rural markets. The combined framing and roofing labor savings runs $12,000 to $22,000. The second savings category is structural material. The gable roof's ridge beam, typically a heavy W-shaped steel section in a steel frame Barndominium, weighs 1,200 to 2,500 pounds on a 40 by 60 foot build. At 2026 structural steel prices, which have remained elevated above pre-2020 baselines due to ongoing supply chain factors, that ridge beam represents $3,500 to $8,000 in material costs that the single slope simply does not have. The single slope's structural members carry predominantly vertical gravity loads with minimal lateral thrust at the wall tops, which allows lighter structural specifications at the column to foundation connections relative to the gable's lateral thrust design. The combined structural material savings runs $5,000 to $12,000. The $150,000 build target for a single slope Barndominium is not arbitrary. It is the budget level that corresponds to the 1,200 square foot footprint at the verified 2026 cost range of $115 to $130 per finished square foot in competitive rural markets. Understanding why this specific intersection of size and cost is achievable with a single slope and not achievable with the gable at equivalent specification requires the complete cost picture. A 30 by 40 foot single slope barndominium, 1,200 square feet of enclosed living space, is a configuration where the $150,000 target is most consistently achievable. Here is the complete cost breakdown at the lower end of the 2026 rural market range. Structural kit for a single slope steel or post frame package, $14,000 to $24,000. This is $4,000 to $8,000 less than an equivalent gable kit because the ridge beam and its engineering documentation are not included. Foundation, reinforced concrete slab at $10,000 to $18,000. Closed cell spray, foam insulation at 3-inch minimum thickness, $7,000 to $11,000. Kit erection labor, $8,000 to $14,000, reflecting the 15 to 20% labor reduction of a single slope relative to a gable erection of equivalent footprint. Interior framing for bedroom and bathroom partitions, $4,000 to $8,000. Electrical including 100 amp panel and full rough and finish wiring, $7,000 to $13,000. Plumbing for one bathroom and the kitchen, $6,000 to $11,000. HVAC, single zone mini split appropriate for 1,200 square feet, $3,500 to $6,500. Kitchen finishes at the practical but quality level, $8,000 to $20,000. Bathroom finishes, $4,000 to $9,000. Flooring, luxury vinyl plank installed by the owner, $3,000 to $6,000 in materials. Interior doors, trim, and hardware, $2,500 to $5,000. Exterior finish upgrades, board and batten panel profile, black framed windows, $4,000 to $9,000. Site work, driveway and basic grading on a favorable site, $5,000 to $14,000. Utility connections on a site with existing infrastructure, $3,000 to $8,000. Total construction cost range for a fully finished 1,200 square foot single slope barndominium with owner-builder management of finished phases, $113,000 to $196,000. The lower end, $113,000 to $138,000, is achievable in the most favorable conditions. A competitive rural labor market in the South or Midwest. A site with existing utility access, minimal grading requirements, and no rock or unusual soil conditions. An owner-builder who manages subcontractors directly rather than through a general contractor, saving the 15 to 20% GC overhead. In practical but not premium finish selections, butcher block rather than stone countertops, LVP rather than hardwood flooring, stock cabinetry rather than custom. The $150,000 target sits in the lower middle portion of that range, achievable in favorable conditions with some GC involvement, or achievable with full GC management in the most competitive labor markets. It is not achievable in high-cost labor markets, on difficult sites, or with premium finish selections. But it is genuinely achievable in the conditions where most rural barndominium construction happens in 2026. And the single slope's 20% cost reduction is what makes it achievable rather than aspirational. The 20% cost savings of the single slope is the financial argument. But the single slope also delivers specific interior spatial qualities that the gable roof at equivalent cost does not. And for a $150,000 build, where every dollar is working hard, the spatial quality that comes at no additional cost deserves specific description. The single slope ceiling is a continuous plane that rises from the low wall to the high wall across the full width of the building. In a 30-foot wide single slope barndominium with a 14-foot high wall and a 9-foot low wall, the ceiling rises from 9 feet at one end of the building to 14 feet at the other, a 5-foot variation that creates the directional spatial progression that resort architects invest significantly to achieve in expensive custom buildings. The 9-foot end of the ceiling, at the low wall, creates the intimate enclosure appropriate for the bedroom and bathroom program. The 14-foot end, at the high wall, creates the generous spatial volume appropriate for the open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area. This automatic spatial hierarchy, intimate where privacy is valued, generous where social life happens, is built into the single slopes geometry at zero additional cost. The north-facing clear-story window band that the single-slope high wall enables is the natural light feature that distinguishes single-slope interiors from every other Barndominium configuration at equivalent cost. A continuous band of fixed glass positioned at 10 to 14 feet above the finished floor on the high north wall brings diffuse, consistent, glare-free natural light into the interior from above. This light quality, what lighting researchers identify as the highest quality circadian light available in residential design, makes every surface in the interior look better, makes every hour of the day in the building more visually pleasant, and eliminates the need for the supplementary artificial lighting that flat-ceiling Barndominiums require to overcome the dark interior zones that low windows and rectangular floor plans consistently create. The north clear-story window system for a 30-foot wide building costs $4,000 to $9,000 installed, a modest addition to the $150,000 budget that delivers an interior light quality that most $300,000 conventional homes cannot replicate. The south-facing roof plane is the solar collection feature that converts the single slopes geometric intelligence into long-term energy cost reduction. A 30 by 40-foot south-facing single-slope roof provides approximately 1,200 square feet of available solar panel area at the optimal azimuth. A 4-kilowatt solar array, approximately 10 standard panels using 240 square feet of that available area, generates enough electricity to cover the full energy needs of a 1,200 square foot well-insulated single-slope Barndominium in most climate zones through most months of the year. At 2026 pricing after the federal investment tax credit, a 4-kilowatt system costs $7,000 to $11,000 net, an investment that pays back in 5 to 9 years through eliminated electricity bills and then produces free energy for the remaining decades of the building's service life. Adding this system to the $150,000 build pushes the total to $157,000 to $161,000, still within reach of the target with modest adjustment in other categories, and producing a monthly energy cost near zero for move-in day. Every honest cost video requires acknowledging what the target budget does not include, because a budget that surprises you with what it leaves out is not a budget. It is a starting point for a conversation you are not prepared to have. The $150,000 target in this video does not include land. Land cost in rural markets varies from $15,000 for a modest rural parcel in a lower-cost region to $80,000 or more for desirable acreage with existing improvements. Know your total land and build budget, not just the build budget, before you commit to a target. The $150,000 does not include well and septic on a rural site without existing utility infrastructure. A well and septic system appropriate for a 1,200 square foot home runs $14,000 to $35,000 depending on depth and soil conditions, costs that must be added to the $150,000 build budget on most rural parcels. The $150,000 does not include the solar system described in Section 3. Adding the solar system adds $7,000 to $11,000 net of the tax credit, a worthwhile addition that the monthly energy savings repay within a reasonable horizon, but that is not included in the base target. And the $150,000 does not include the contingency that every construction project requires. Add 15 to 20% on top of your complete estimate, including land, utility connections, and the build, before you commit to any contractor or any timeline. Site surprises, material lead time changes, and field decisions are normal features of construction. A contingency that covers them keeps the project moving. A budget without one stops it. If this video from Homes in Haven gave you the specific cost intelligence you needed to believe that the $150,000 single-slope Barndominium is a plan rather than a fantasy, hit that like button right now. It helps Homes in Haven reach more builders who are working with real budgets and need real strategies rather than inspirational content that never gets specific. Subscribe to Homes in Haven and turn on notifications because we cover Barndominium cost intelligence, honest design strategies, and real build decisions every single week. Drop a comment below and tell me which of the 3 target protecting decisions is the most challenging for your specific situation: site selection, owner-builder engagement, or specification discipline. I read every comment on Homes and Haven, and I genuinely want to help you think through your path to the build. Share this video with your build partner and your contractor. The cost breakdown in Section 1 is the conversation your planning process needs to have before any structural decision is finalized. This is Homes and Haven. Build smart. Build beautiful. I will see you in the next one.